I will tell you that I was one of those people who's just totally dismissive. Bitcoin seemed like a very smart technological mechanism to remove the money in one libertarian's wallet and put it in another libertarian's wallet. But there's something going on here that gets a lot more serious with the trading exchange.
It really is. Bitcoin's a really powerful new technology. It's going to make payments more efficient. It's going to make them fast, cheap, and global. And the exchange that we just launched yesterday is a great kind of way to help bring stability to the ecosystem, help the price become a little bit less volatile, and keep growing the Bitcoin ecosystem.
So let's talk about why that would make transfer cheaper.
Well, it's not transfer, but the stability of the ecosystem will be improved, because a lot of people haven't been able to trade Bitcoin in a very secure and safe manner yet. They've had to use a variety of exchanges all over the world, maybe wire money to a foreign country, and now they have somewhere in the U.S. that's backed by the New York Stock Exchange. We hold insurance. We're based here in the U.S. so they can keep their funds onshore.
I want to unpack all these because Bitcoin's so fascinating because it raises all these interesting new issues about trade and currency and what you need. Insurance. Talk about why that's important.
Well, there's been quite a few cybercrime incidents in the Bitcoin community. Hackers all over the world are trying to get their hands on Bitcoin, and so having cybercrime insurance policy like we have at Coinbase is a great way to bring confidence to the ecosystem. And
do you imagine a world very soon where we're going to see people on currency desks trading Bitcoin in the same way they're trading Swiss francs and the euro and the dollar and so on?
Yeah, it's already happening. At day one, we launched it yesterday. We were trading millions of dollars of Bitcoin just in the first day. A lot of those people were traders on Wall Street who, they spent their day at a desk for their real job, and then they went home at night and they started trading Bitcoin. We're also seeing hedge funds start to trade Bitcoin, so this is starting to happen in a very big way.
And do you think price stability starts to happen instantly with this kind of more regulated trading, or why is the regulation? I understand what's necessary to make it legal, but why is it necessary to change the dynamics of what's been a highly volatile market?
Yeah, I think it's just getting more people into the ecosystem, so it's going to make it less volatile if you have a larger group of people participating in this system. And I think there were just too many market ups and downs given speculation on which provider is going to be up, which one's going to be down. And so now that Coinbase is here, I think we're going to hopefully be a bedrock for the industry and help people give some more confidence to it.
New York Stock Exchange backing is very interesting to me. But both it's its function as a venture investment, and therefore they're sort of giving some advice, but also giving some coin, so to speak.
Exactly. So, they want to have a portal or some visibility into this trend, this really important technology trend that's happening, and so you can see the similarities in their business and ours, and they decided to give us a good chunk of money to go after this.
So let's talk about the technology away from the currency itself. I mean, the notion of all the things that the blockchain provides, the information, the ledger that goes with every Bitcoin transaction and trade, is that part of this business that would benefit from the existence of a trading platform?
Well, you're going to be able to see all a lot of the activity on the Bitcoin ecosystem happening on the blockchain. The blockchain is really just a public ledger, like you said, and it's going to allow a lot of innovation. So it's a way to transfer any sort of digital asset between two parties without a trusted intermediary. That's kind of a mouthful, but what it means is that if you are in the business of being a financial intermediary, you might start to see pressure from...
Like the New York Stock Exchange?
Not exactly. They're facilitating those transactions, but... and we're very similar in a very similar position to them. We're facilitating trades between people who want to trade Bitcoin.